Vertical farming has gained popularity, but it also has some disadvantages that need to be considered. One of the main disadvantages is the high initial investment required to set up a vertical farm. The cost of building and maintaining the infrastructure, such as the vertical towers and LED lighting systems, can be quite expensive. Another disadvantage is the high energy consumption associated with vertical farming. The artificial lighting and climate control systems used in these farms require a significant amount of electricity. Vertical farming also requires a constant supply of water for irrigation. This can be a challenge, especially in areas with limited water resources or in regions prone to drought. Additionally, vertical farming may not be suitable for growing certain types of crops. Plants with deep root systems, like trees or large vegetables, may not thrive in the limited space provided by vertical farming. The reliance on artificial lighting in vertical farms can also affect the natural process of photosynthesis in plants. Without exposure to sunlight, plants may not receive the necessary nutrients and energy they need to grow. Vertical farming also faces challenges in terms of scalability. Expanding the production capacity of a vertical farm can be complex and may require additional investment in infrastructure and technology. Furthermore, there is the issue of limited crop diversity in vertical farming. Due to space constraints, vertical farms often focus on growing a limited variety of crops, which may limit consumer choice. Vertical farming may also face resistance in terms of public perception and acceptance. Some consumers may be skeptical about the quality and safety of produce grown in a controlled indoor environment. Another disadvantage is the potential for technological failures or system malfunctions. In the event of a power outage or equipment failure, the entire vertical farm could be at risk of losing crops. Finally, the high production costs associated with vertical farming can result in expensive produce for consumers. This may limit accessibility to fresh and sustainable food options for certain communities. Despite its many advantages, it's important to consider these disadvantages when assessing the feasibility and impact of vertical farming.